Section A, question number 18. In the given figure, in triangle ABC, AD perpendicular to BC and angle BAC equal to 90 degree. If BC equal to 60 centimeter and DC equal to 4 centimeter, then the value of X is, let this angle be theta. From triangle ADC, cos theta equal to DC by AC, that is 4 by X. Question number 1. From triangle ABC, cos theta equal to AC by BC, that is equal to X by 16. This is equation number 2. From 1 and 2, we get 4 by X is equal to X by 16. The cross multiply, X square is equal to 4 into 16, that is 64. Therefore, X is equal to 8 centimeter. This is our answer. Choice is C.